Hey guys, hope you had a good week. I'm going to try this week without a whiteboard, but we're looking on page 17 in the new packet you just got. I put it on Google Classroom if you didn't get a copy of it as well. But we're looking at functions. So the thing we talked about in class with functions is that every input has only one output. So whatever we pick that we're starting with, that thing should only be connected to one other thing. And we'll look at a couple examples here, but this is page 17 in that packet. We're looking at phone numbers and customer names. So the first part says, is the relationship between each customer shown in the table and his or her phone number a function? Explain. So when we look at this, that means every person should have their own phone number if it's a function. If I want to call Mike London, I know what number to dial and I can get him. So Heather Baker has only one phone number. Mike London, only one phone number. Sue Green, one phone number. Bruce Swift, one phone number. Michelle Metz, one phone number. So because each person has a phone number connected to their name, that is a function. Even though Sue and Bruce have the same phone number, it's still a function because if I want to call Sue Green, I know what number to call. Each person has to have one phone number that goes with them. So that first way, saying each customer to each phone number, that is a function. The second one is where this changes. So as it says, is the relationship between each phone number and the customer's name associated with the function. So we're going backwards. So if I were to dial 310-510-0091, I think that was the right amount of zeros, I'm only going to get Heather Baker. That's true. So that would be correct. But if we jump down a couple, if I dial 323-413-2598, I don't know if I'm going to get Sue Green or Bruce Swift. So because that phone number is matched with two separate names, this way is not a function. Because if I'm dialing the phone number, I should know exactly who's going to answer the phone. So it's the opposite of the one before. The thing I start with, the phone number, can only be attached to one name. That one phone number is attached to Sue and Bruce, so going this way isn't a function. It's a little confusing to think about. Hopefully some arrows here help that out a little bit. But the idea is just if I want this, I know this is going to happen. So the last question says, explain why a business would want to use a person's social security number as a way to identify customers instead of their phone number. Again, if we look up here, we want to know every customer has one number. A social security number, every person has their own social security number. So even if you share a cell phone, even if you live in the same house, even if you work in the same place, each person has their own individual social security number. So that's automatically going to be a function because those are never repeated. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know how I can help. I'll talk to you guys later.